guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Ninja Foodi Grill when stuck on shut lid. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now if you're having this issue here with your Ninja Foodi Grill, there's a few things that you could do here to probably solve the issue. Now if your Ninja Foodi Grill is stuck on shut lid and won't start cooking, it's likely that the lid sensor is blocked with residue from food or grease. So this sensor is responsible for detecting whether, in this case, the lid is closed. So when it's, in this case, when it actually has like food buildup on it or oil buildup, it may restrict the lid's position, and in this case, you need to clean it. So what you need to do first is you want to make sure that you don't have any power on your grill, which in this case, just unplug it and just let it rest for about like 15 minutes if you can. So this also resets the system itself since we are draining the power from the grill. Now, you want to open the grill and look at the hinge area under the lid. So usually it's going to be in this area here. So typically you should be able to see some form of sensor here. And basically what you need to do is you need to basically use a soft cloth or sponge to carefully clean around the sensor and hinge area, so removing any food residue or grease buildup. Now after cleaning, plug the grill back in and check if the shut lid message clears up and the grill starts, in this case, starts as expected. Now if none of those actually work, or if you don't see any sensors and it's just a block that you see here, you don't see any sensors exposed, then the next best thing that you do here is get or schedule an appointment with a technician. So typically, if you're going to open this up yourself, you might cause some hazards or even break your grill here. So it's best to consult with a technician in order for you to solve this issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.